So today we're going to be turning this mask into a light up mask that you see online. It's a cheap plastic little POS. Cheap, you can get these on Amazon real cheap. So what we're going to do, I already have it pre-made so I don't want to waste your guys' time. But basically, you just want to punch holes wherever you want your lights to go. And get rid of this one, and I have, like I said, for the eyes, just punch holes and then you'll run the wires on the back, and I have some that are already pre-made and we'll show you how those are. Here you guys have it. That's the first one I made, so it's kind of crappy. I did it real fast. I did tape this to the back because I'm just going to be putting this in my car. And I do have long wires, so you can get these shorter, and plus these can be cut. But I got these from Wish. I believe they were free. All I had to pay was like $2 for shipping. But that's what the back of it looks like. It's kind of neat. Like I said, I just taped that there because I'm putting this in my car over the headrest. And the wire is going to be there so I can reuse it for whatever. But there you have it there. I mean, it was fairly easy to make. I think this one took me like 5 minutes or less. But that's that one. Then I also made this one. This one's a little bit kind of neater out of the blue ones. And like I said, I mean, just it's all you got to do. And on the back of it, it's just neat. It's nothing complicated.